Welcome to uKnowva HRMS. In this video, we'll walk you through configuring loans and advances, ensuring seamless management of employee loan applications and automated repayment schedules. Let's get started. To create a new loan application, navigate to the Loans and Advances page under the HR Manager menu. Click the plus button at the top corner of the page. A form will appear where you can enter details like the employee's name, loan amount, type, date of request, disbursement date, interest rate, and installment details. Choose the mode of payment, cash, check, or salary. If you select salary, repayments will be automatically deducted from the employee's salary. You can also set the installment start date, loan status, and attach supporting documents. Once all details are filled, click Submit to save the application or Cancel to discard it. Loan repayments are automatically scheduled based on details like disbursement date, loan amount, interest rate, and installments. If you choose salary as the payment mode, deductions will reflect in the employee's payslip. You can manually adjust the payment schedule by clicking the plus button to add installments or the bin icon to delete them. Deleted installments will automatically adjust the remaining repayment amounts. To view an employee's loan details, locate their name on the Loans and Advances page and click the eye icon under the Action column. This opens a detailed view of the loan application, including the loan amount, type, payment method, and repayment schedule. To edit a loan application, locate the employee and click the pen icon under the Action column. In the first half of the page, update details like loan amount, interest rate, or disbursement date. Scroll down to the second half to modify the payment schedule. Use the plus button to add installments or the bin icon to delete them. Once changes are made, click Save to update or Cancel to discard. To delete a loan application, select the checkbox next to the employee's name and click the delete icon at the top right. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to delete or No to cancel. To import loan data in bulk, click the Import button at the top right of the Loans and Advances page. Download the CSV template by clicking Download Import Template File. Fill in the required details and upload the file using the Choose File or Browse button. Click Upload File to complete the process. To export loan records, click the Export button at the top right of the page. This will download the loan data in a structured format for record keeping or analysis. To filter loan applications, click the funnel icon at the top right of the Loans and Advances page. Enter criteria like employee name, loan type, or status. Click Search to apply filters or Reset to clear them. And that's it. You've now learned how to configure loans and advances in uKnowva HRMS, ensuring seamless payroll integration and efficient loan management. Thank you for watching.